Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to enable high contrast mode on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and then select Settings. You can also press Windows and I together to open the settings directly. In the Settings window, go to Accessibility from the left-hand menu. Now, under the Accessibility section, scroll down and click on Contrast Themes. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Contrast Themes. Click it, and you'll find several high-contrast options, such as Aquatic Desert Dusk Night Sky. Select the one you prefer, then click Apply. Your system will now switch to the selected high-contrast theme. If you want to customize the colors, click Edit next to the theme and adjust it to your liking. To turn off high-contrast mode, simply go back to the Contrast Themes drop-down and select None, then click Apply. And that's it. High contrast mode is now enabled on your Windows 11 system, making it easier to see and use.